there's two directions the scale can go, up or down. And depending on that direction, we're going to have feelings about that. And according to those feelings, we're going to have reactions. So I'm going to ask you what your feelings are, and then I'm going to ask you typically how you react to those feelings. So you see the scale go up. What do you feel? And how do you react to that feeling? Do you eat more or do you eat less? You see the scale go down. You're losing weight successfully. How do you feel? And what's your reaction to that feeling? What about the other reaction to seeing the scale go up? This is where people that know how to maintain their weight, this is where they live. This is where I live. I see the scale go up. It causes me to feel motivated. I react to that feeling by eating less. I say thank you very much for the message. Scale. I'm going to nip this in the bud. I feel motivated to eat less. What's the fourth reaction to the scale? You see the scale go down. This is actually a very valid feeling. This is where I will just give a really quick example. Back in January, I had the stomach flu for a week. I couldn't really eat anything because of my stomach flu except for a few pieces of toast. By the end of the week, my weight was way down. I got down to 130 pounds, which is pretty thin for me. I recovered from my stomach flu and I was going out to dinner. On that night, with my weight being down at 130 pounds, and I'm going out to dinner, guess what? I knew I was free to what? Eat more. And that's okay. There are times when you say, I'm free to eat more today because my weight is down. This is actually where women will regain their weight after a weight loss program. They have successfully lost weight. They say, okay, I'm free to eat more, which they are. But what happens is they continue to do that day after day after day. They eat more, they eat more, they eat more, and then what happens naturally from that is the scale comes back up. This is pivotal. This is key. If you do this one thing, you will forever have weight loss mastery. So if you do eat more and you see the scale come up, that's okay. You get rid of this one reaction. You take a course correction and you say, oh, I see the scale go up. Now I'm motivated to eat less. Then I'm going to see the scale come down. I'm going to feel hopeful. I'm going to eat less. And then eventually I'm going to be free to eat more. I'm going to see the scale come back up, but I'm motivated to eat less. And then the scale comes down. And then I'm free to eat more, but then this is our infinity loop.